Good morning, everyone. I'm Patrick Lemerdi Pamintuan to report the teaching profession practices in the Asian. Teaching majors responsibilities, actual teaching, management of learning, administrative work, teaching licensing, and recruitment. Teaching responsibilities. A teacher is responsible for preparing lesson plans and educating students at all levels. Diba, lahat naman ng mga teacher inahanda yung pag-aaralan ng kanilang mga estudyante para may matutunan sila, di ba? Yun yung actual teaching. Management of learning, yun na nga, di ba? Yun yung pinag-aaralan natin about sa kung ano yung ituturo ng ating teacher, kung ano dapat yung malalaman natin. Kumbaga, inaaral niya din yun para sa atin. A teacher is also called a school teacher, or some context an educator is a person who helps students acquire knowledge, competence, or virtue. Informally, the role of teacher may be taken on by anyone. Ano nga, sa teaching, licensing, and recruitment, ito yung kapag ano na sila, yung graduate na sila para sa kanilang teaching profession. Ganun. The teacher and the teaching profession beyond the Asian. Benchmarking is learning the best from the best practices of the world best educational system. China. In Chinese teaching licensing, Chinese teachers enjoy unquestionable authority. In China, the teacher is composed by two parts, that is pre-service education and in-service training. 4-year teaching training institution including normal universities and colleges. In daw yun yung ano nila. 4 years silang nagtitraining. Normal university pa lang yun. Colleges. 3 years teacher 3 years teacher training colleges and secondary teacher training school primaries conduct pre-service education. Teachers must be the following requirements to teach in China. Ito yung mga kailangan. Take note na lang guys ha. Bachelor degree, 2 years of postgraduate work experience. Dapat may 2 years postgraduate work experience ka. TELF certification, 120 plus hours. A clear national criminal background check. A clean bill of health from your doctor in home country. Yun yung mga kailangan nila para sa teaching profession sa China. Next naman tayo sa Japan. In Japan, becoming a public teacher requires graduating from a ministry approved university teacher education program and then obtaining a teaching certificate for particular school level. For example, primary, lower secondary, or upper secondary. A teacher certificate in Japan. Teaching certificates which are required for profession are divided into two groups, first class and second class. according to the amount of education received and the level of education being taught. Teachers can sometimes be given temporary certificate. They may advance from temporary to second class or from second class to first class by taking additional coursework such as in-service training while they are employed. Japanese educators have three main types of in-service training available them. First one is training done on their own or through 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 the school where they work. Number two is in-service training completed and designated education centers operated by Ministry Education. And the last one, in-service training at regular universities. Being employed as a teacher, requirements for teaching is license vary state to state and are determined by state licensing authorities. Many states such as Alaska have required teachers to show recent evidence of classroom work as obstacle for former teachers who wish to return to the profession or for professional in diverse fields to consider a career shift to teach. All states demand that teachers adhere to standards of conduct generally above and beyond those expected of non-teaching citizens. Ito yung mga kailangan sa kung magiging teacher ka sa Japan. Number 3 na tayo, guys. United States of America. Wait lang, guys. United States. Basic education, the avenue for teaching job in USA. Becoming a professional teaching in the USA. Ito yung kung gusto mong pumasok doon. Earning teaching certificate, recruitment of teachers, salaries of teachers. What makes a good American teachers? Sa Amerika, guys, yung mga teacher nila ay very stricto. Tsaka yung pagtuturo nila ay tututukan kang sobra-sobra. Yung halimbawa kahit sobrang hirap na, yung binibigay pa rin nila sa'yo. About naman sa salaries of teachers, 19,000 kung di ako magkakamali, ganyan yung nabasa ko. Yearly yata yun, yearly. Parang ganun siya. The Global Teacher Status Index of 2013. Teacher status, social status of teacher, teaching sought after profession, pupil respect for teachers. Wait lang. Social status of teachers refers to the relative standing of teaching as occupation in hierarchy of all occupations. Therefore, the social status of teachers is an important area of inquiry that provides insight into the significance attached to education in each country. Pupil respect for teacher. All teachers deserve respect for the pupil. Uh, because if you don't respect your teacher, ano pang silbi niya, 'di ba? Kung di mo siya rerespetuhin kasi yung teacher nagpapakahirap yan para may matutunan tayo, para may malaman tayo. Inaaral niya yung mga tinuturo niya sa atin, magdamag buong araw. Yan nga, di pa nga kumakain yan or natutulog, ganun. Wala na silang pahinga. Perception of teacher reward. Performance-related pay. Ito yung pinaka-reward nila. Yun yung tinuro, yung parang ano lang sila, yung tumulong lang sila sa atin. Natuto na tayo, natuto, nakabanding natin sila, marami tayong nalaman sa kanila. They will deserve an reward. Bale, ito yung reward nila, yung parang payment nila. Kumbaga, parang wala nga yun yung payment nila kasi parang yung pinaka-reward nila yung may natutunan tayo mula sa kanila, di ba? Yun yung parang reward nila. Teacher agency and deliver education. Trusting teacher to deliver education. Yun. Yung teacher ay yung pinagkakatiwalaan sa pagtuturo, yung pagbibigay ng knowledge sa mga estudyante. Kasi lahat naman ng mga 4 years graduate na employee or workers, teachers ang nagturo sa kanila at nag-guide. Hindi naman sa lahat ng teachers ay hindi lahat naman ng tinuro nila ay yung iba kasi 'di ba hindi naman sila nakikinig or wala silang natutunan ganun. Ito kasi yung parang lahat ng 4 years course, 2 years man yun or what, teachers ang nag-guide sa atin, di ba? Teachers. So guys, table 3, Global Teaching Status Index in 2013. Basahin nyo na lang guys. Kikita nyo naman sa screen. Yan lang guys. Salamat. Sana naiintindihan nyo. Thank you.